Hello guys! Welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Ngayon magre-review tayo ng unit. This is the Glock 34 G series by WE. Shoutout po pala kay Sir Arnold. Sir, ito po ang yung unit, the Glock 34 G series. So may kasama na po siyang gas, number 12, green gas. And also comes with 0.23 grams 4,000 shots BBs. Ito yung kanyang box. And WE Glock 34 made in Taiwan. Buksan na natin. So may kasama po siyang owner's manual. May kasama na rin po siyang dalawang backstrap and the backstrap pin. Ito yung unit. Glock 34 by WE. Naka-tritium sight na siya. The standard design of Glock. So po pwede mo siyang lagyan ng accessories, flashlight. Pwede rin po siyang lagyan ng red dot optic. Okay, so bali ito pala yung kanyang backstrap. Diyan siya nilalagay. Okay. Then ito yung pin para mag-lock siya. Okay, this one is 24 rounder, green gas powered. Lagyan natin ng gas. Okay, and the unit, yan. Gen 4. This one is Gen 4. Made in Taiwan. 34 tactical 9x19. Yan. Threaded barrel para sa suppressor, tracer units, kung gusto nyo lagyan. Okay. Glock 34 Gen 4 G series by WE. Lagyan lang natin ng bala. Okay, and then ite-test po natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, yung unit. So, lagyan lang muna natin siya ng 4 shots para sa chronograph testing. Maganda siya guys, pang competition kasi mahaba yung barrel. As long as mahaba yung barrel, much better kasi mas accurate at mas malakas. Glock 34 Gen 4 G series by WE. Green gas powered. Okay, green gas powered comes with number 12 green gas standard power. Meron din po tayong available na 14. Okay, meron din po tayong available na 14 green gas power up. Number 14. This one is the number 12. So ito po yung kasama, pero kung gusto niyo pong mag-request na ito yung isasama natin, number 14, mag-message lang po kayo, sir. Okay, so ngayon magte-test fire po tayo, chronograph testing. Okay, Sir Arnold, testing natin yung inyong unit. The Glock 34 G series by WE. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, testing. Wow. I'm using the number 12 gas, no? Number 12 lang gamit ko dyan, pero pumalo siya ng 400.1 EPS. Lakas na, ha? 400.1. Okay, one more. Wow. Lumakas pa. 404.4 EPS. 404.4 EPS. Wow. Pairing. Okay, bumaba siya. 397.2. And then, the last one, 400.1. Nasa 400 pa rin. Yan, 400.1. Okay, malakas ang unit. Now, nag-open chamber siya. Dahil 4 na bala lang yung nilagay natin. So, ang gawin nyo, sir, release the mag. Then, hatakin nyo tong slide. Then, bitaw. Okay, hammer down. Okay, then shooting test tayo, sir. Okay, Sir Arnold, shooting test ng inyong unit, sir, the Glock 34 Gen 4 G-Series by WE. So, pumalo siya ng 400 plus EPS. Okay, testing. Oh, lakas. Okay, ubusin na natin yung bala. Okay, open chamber, release the magazine, pull back the slide, then hammer down. Okay, sir, okay na po ang inyong unit. Glock 34 Gen 4 G-Series. Okay, kung may question pa po regarding sa inyong unit, message lang sa aming Facebook page 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.